In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Grok AI watermark. Before we start, a quick note. Watermarks exist to indicate source and usage rights. Removing them can violate terms or licensing. Instead of stripping a watermark, I'll walk you through the proper way to access your images and explain how to get clean, approve downloads when your plan and the platform allow it. First, open the Grok website in your browser. Make sure you're signed in so your work and history are available. If you're starting fresh, go ahead and generate a new image. Provide your prompt, set any style or size options you prefer, and let the system create the result. If you've already made something and want to revisit it, you don't need to regenerate it. Next, click on History. This section collects your recent generations so you can quickly find past images without rerunning prompts. Give the page a second to load your items, then scroll until you see the image you want to use. Select the image you want by clicking on it to open the larger preview. This helps you confirm the quality, composition, and any branding or watermark that might be present. If it looks good, you're ready to save a local copy. Right-click the image and choose Save Image As. Pick a folder you'll remember, give the file a clear name, and save it. This gives you an exact copy of what you see on screen. Depending on your account level and the platform's defaults, that saved file may include a watermark. Here's the important part. If your saved file includes a watermark, don't try to remove it with third-party tools. Instead, look for the platform's official download or export option on the image page or in your account. Many services provide watermark-free exports when you have the appropriate subscription or license. Review the usage rights in the site's terms to ensure your intended use, whether personal, educational, or commercial, is covered. If you need a clean version and don't see an export option, consider upgrading your plan or contacting support to learn what's available for your use case. When you do obtain a watermark-free file through the approved method, keep your original watermarked version for record keeping and store licensing details with your project files. That way you stay compliant and avoid headaches later. To recap, go to the site, generate or open your image from history, preview it, and save a local copy. If you need a clean version, use the platform's official export options tied to your plan and license, rather than stripping the watermark. This approach keeps your workflow simple, professional, and fully within the rules.